Assembly of the aluminium fin. The splice sleeve is inserted into the plates on both sides and then secured by anchor bolts. Both halves are placed together to form a singular fin. Adjustable mounting arms are then installed with anchor bolts. Lastly, the end cap, consisting of the splice sleeve and blade, is installed to cap the ends. Assembly of the Unitised curtain wall system with Aluminium Sunshading Louvres on site. Firstly, the brackets are installed on the slab to receive the Unitised panel. Next, sealant is added on the Unitised panel below before lifting and installing the Unitised panel into place. The panels are fastened with nuts on both sides. Moving on, thermal insulation is installed behind the aluminium backpan to thermally isolate the exterior and interior. Fire stop is placed between the gaps of the slab and fire stop sealant applied to prevent fire from spreading through the floor. Next, the sun shading will be installed to the junction of the mullion and transom. A mounting bracket is installed to receive the sun shading fins, secured by screws, washers, and nuts. A snap-on cover then conceals the connections. The sun shading fins are inserted and adjusted to the desired angle and fastened by screws, washers, and nuts. This is an overall view of a simplified installation process for the system.